Yeah, in the last class we have discussed the completing the whole, right?
Yes,
No?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
3 numbers.
No, sir. 4.
Sir, we have done in the first one.
In the beginning of last class,
while
we
adding 3 numbers, we have to get
We
10,
can
and in
get
the
10.
second one,
3 numbers means we should get 10, sir.
yes, and after that list addition, list of numbers addition with one digit first, and later with the 2 digits, and in combination with the first one digit and 2 digit numbers, and later we have discussed the addition list addition with 3 digit and 4 digits also, right? And what about your homework? Completed this? E. This is your homework, right?
Yes, no, sir. We also have completed this also in class only. No, sir.
we completed this also in class also,
After
sir.
class I have uploaded this one in the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in E? Is there any doubt in
No,
X?
sir.
No, sir. Can you show from A, B, C, D?
Yeah, we have started from A, B, C. In the first, after first
Sir, you
class, I
can
have
show
done
that.
A, B, C.
Sir, you can show that all.
No need to show. It is up to you. But it is better to practice these questions up to date to understand the next class.
No, sir. I'm telling that you can show that all.
Homework. This is your homework.
Sir, we have done this in class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have done this.
Sir, I'm not asking.
Sir, we did more, sir. Sir, not even this. We have a bit more.
Sir, I'm asking.
More down, sir.
Practice
G and H. Up to H, I have given homework. Jayit, any doubt? Wait. Jayit, telling
Yes,
something.
sir. But sir, means I think I told that last class we have done so much, sir.
Yeah.
So means we, yes, sir.
You have completed this, sir.
Other than that work,
Yes, sir.
that class work, I have given this work in homework classroom, Google Classroom. Right?
No, sir, we completed this in class only.
To write.
Yes, sir.
Wait. These questions seems like classwork questions only, but these questions are different. Okay. These questions are different. We can compare later. Okay, right. Today, counting, adding columns only with the 2-digit numbers. And already we
Sir,
have done.
I have a little doubt in this picture.
Yeah, we have done with one exercise also with this same.
Yes, sir. But I have.
But I have doubt in 3-digit numbers, sir.
This one we have done right?
Sir, can you explain this
Okay,
again? Because I have doubt.
Okay, right. I'm explaining. Keep your voice in mute condition. If anybody have doubt, you can raise your doubt.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after you explain these sums to those who didn't understand in the last class, can you give us some problems so that we can answer?
Yes,
That is what I am telling. We are doing these questions in the classwork. Other than these questions, I am providing some more questions in the homework. I'm uploading in the Google Classroom. One time, see here. This is our Wise app. There are 29 participants here. But in our Google Classroom, there are only 17 participants. What about remaining? 12 more students need to.
Sir, my name is Joseph Kunal.
No, sir. Actually, somebody is not logged into Google Classroom, sir. They will not get. I think.
Again. I'm sharing the.
I have that app.
No, you have not joined. I have checked it. So
But
yeah.
I'm sharing the link to join.
Sir, we
By
did got.
clicking on this link, you can join. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In your chat box, there is everyone, right? Everyone. It is showing everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir,
showing
it is
everyone
not-
only, sir.
To the right side of that everyone, there is a name file.
Yes, sir.
Just adjacent to that file, there are 3 dots.
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes,
click
sir.
on
Yes,
the,
sir, 1 minute, sir, I'll
if
check
you
it.
click on that 3 dots, you have an option save chart.
Yes, sir.
You can save the chart later. You can click on that link. Okay.
Sir, I have got it, sir.
Yes.
1 KB.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I have also got it. Brahman Jujuri, sir.
Yeah, that is.
Brahman.
Save it. Save it.
Yes, sir, I've saved it.
Okay. Let us do this exercise. Keep in mute condition. I'm explaining first. Start with the higher position first. Units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. If there are
Okay.
thousands place, start with the thousands place. If there is no thousands place, starts with the hundreds place. If there is no hundreds place, start with tens place. So here only tens place up to tens place are there. Try to complete tens first. Try
Yes, sir.
tens first.
Yes,
If you
sir.
observe,
Sir, 3 plus 3
yeah,
plus
And
plus
30 plus 30 is
and
60,
6
sir.
plus
And
4
60
and
plus
1000.
4 is
100 plus
no,
2.
100, sir.
So 3 plus 3 plus 4 is
And then
10
120 will
plus
come.
2 is
120, sir.
Yes, sir. 120.
yeah. Somebody asked, please explain me, sir. I didn't understand yesterday's class. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, I'll explain first. This is 40, 30, 30. 30 plus 30, 60, 60 and 40 is 100. Okay. We have completed 100. We are keeping this 100 in the mind. Later, remaining 20. Already we have 100 and this 20, 120. And coming to the ones place, 7 and 3 completes 110. Already we have 120. Now it will be 130. And the remaining 6 and 6, 12. Already we have 130 and this 12 will make a 142. So that is the answer, 140. So without using pen, we have to do this, do these questions mentally. Okay, to explain you, I am using this pen, but while explaining only, I am telling that this 40 plus 30 plus 30, it should be 60. You have to keep, 30 plus 30 and 40, it will be 100. You have to keep that 100 in the mind. Okay. Now I am unmuting. Don't speak all the persons at a time. Okay. B, see B. First we will complete tens place. Okay. How we can complete this?
Sir, 5 plus 2 plus 3.
30 and 20. So this three sum is 100.
And plus 3.
And this is another 30. So 130 is 130.
130, sir.
Created number in our mind is 130.
130. 130.
Comes to the
Sir,
one
8 plus 2,
8 plus 2 is 10. Already we have 130. If we add this 10 to 130,
140.
140.
140.
And the remaining two numbers, sum,
5 and 7.
how much?
Ma'am, sir, 12.
12. By taking
Sir, the answer is nothing but 152.
152.
Sir, answer is 150.
152.
Sir, it's very easy, sir.
Yeah, it is very easy, but if you practice, you can reduce time. You can do them fastly.
Sir, means we can do this question in normal edition, means it will take minimum 1 minute to 2 minutes. In this way means it will
No.
take even 10
With the
seconds.
practice, you can do that. In that way also, you can do very fastly only. But here we need pen, no? But here we don't need pen. That's it.
Sir, now we will explain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. I'll ask.
Sir, want to explain.
I'll ask one person.
Sir, can-
I will ask one person. Wait. Raghav. Raghav, are you there? Okay, okay. I'll unmute you. Raghu, now you can unmute.
Yes, sir.
Explain. See.
Yes, sir. Sir, first 70 plus 30 is nothing but 100.
Yes.
Sir, and 70 plus 40, I mean 80 plus 40 is 120.
Okay.
Sir, so total is 220 will be the answer. Now 9 plus 1, 10, and
Okay.
8 plus 8, 16. So the
We can
total-
add this 10 to this one already.
Yes,
Right. Okay.
the
No.
total answer will be 26. So
This is-
our total answer will be 246.
36 or 46?
46, sir.
Yes, 246. Correct. Yeah, mute yourself. Sahit Verma, are you there? Wait, I'll unmute. Sahit Verma, unmute yourself.
So,
Yes, explain D.
so D is
This is
so it's 22.
which place? Which place?
So the first one is 22, but you have to carry over the first two and put a 2 down, and then you have to.
Wait. We are not solving in that way. What is this place? I'm asking. This is
So it's the odds.
units place, ones place. This
Yes,
is
so
this is
this is the tens,
tens place. This is
and this is the hundred, and that's the thousand.
hundreds place.
Yes, so
This
and
is
that's the thousands. Thousands.
sorry,
So it's thousands.
thousands place. Okay. In this method, what we are proceeding now is, in this method we have to start from the highest place value. Okay, we'll start from thousands place. Okay. Who is speaking now? Steve Vallabha, right? Who is on the line? What happened? Sorry, Sahit Verma, right?
Yes, so
Sahit Verma, can you turn on your video?
no, so
No.
no, so.
Why?
So the whole house uses the whole internet, and my elder brother has to use most of it.
Okay, but you have an option like background change is there. Okay, no problem. We'll start from thousands place first. Okay, explain from thousands place.
So the thousands place is 3 plus 2 equals 5.
No, it is not 3 plus 2. I think you are not in our class. You are just opening our class and you are doing your work. You're
Also,
not.
I'm in the class, so.
Then this is not 3 and this is
Oh,
not.
yeah, so it's 5,000. I forgot that it was in the thousand place.
Okay, right. Now this is together is
5,000.
5,000. In our mind now the present value is 5,000. Next.
So
explain.
next it's 16. Actually, it's 160.
Explain the process, not the answer. How you got that 160?
What?
It is not actually 160 also.
Oh yeah.
What is this value?
It's 600. It's 6,600.
Wait. What is this value?
So it's 5.
5 or 500?
500. So
What is this one?
it's 500.
Together?
So So 1000.
1000. Already we
So
have,
so it's 6600.
now we have 6000. With that
No,
6000,
so it's 6600. So
yeah, 6600 now. Now coming to the which place?
so the tens.
Okay. Try to complete the tens first or 10 multiples first. Explain. Proceed.
So right now I'm adding.
What is this value?
So it's 20.
20. This is
80
80. 20 and 80 together.
equals to
Sorry,
100.
100.
100.
Already we have 6600. If we add one more 100, it will be
It's going to be 6700.
6700. Actually, I'm keeping it on the using pen, but we should keep this value in our mind. Always we have
And
to
then-
count only one number,
so-
updated number.
So and then 7 plus 8 equals to
Not 7,
don't the 6000.
not 7 and 80.
70 plus 80
Yeah,
makes
70 and 80.
6000. I mean,
No,
this
first tell this one.
700
70 and
into
80.
800, and it will just put in, and then it's 6850.
Okay. 150, 700 and 800 is, sorry, 70 and 80 is 150. 6850, right?
Yes, so
Okay, coming to the ones place.
so
Yes.
the 5 counts as 5, and they're just the same as the normal number.
These two,
So these two count are 10. So technically it will be 6860.
60.
So this is really confusing. So
And next is
it's going to do 12. So it's going to be 6872.
872. Actually, this is a simple one, simple one only. But
So I'm just getting confused by the
place values. Huh? You need practice only from the basic class only. I'm telling that one only. First complete tens, later add the remaining numbers. Okay. And one more thing here is, what is the value? Correct? Right. One more thing is, you need some practice. With practice, you can reduce this time. This explaining time also you can reduce. Somebody is giving messages continuously. Right? What is CBIT 5000? Write any answers. You are writing when I'm discussing with some person, means when in that time, if you are writing anything in the chat box, then it will be visible to that person also. No? Why you are writing? I'm asking that person only that Sahit Verma. He has to respond. Okay. I'm giving one more person, chance to one more person. Sahit Verma, you can mute. Srushti Patel, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you scroll up? I want to see CBIT questions, sir.
Who? Srushti? Who want to see CBIT? Srushti only.
Yes, sir. I only want.
Okay, I'll scroll up again, no problem. First, you explain E.
Sir, I didn't solve, sir.
Now we will solve together. Okay, just explain to me and I'll write the answers. Proceed.
Sir,
Yeah.
200. Sir, can I?
No.
Sir,
Srushti.
200. Sir, I'm Srishti only.
Don't write anything in
Sir,
the
200 plus 1. Okay, sir.
200.
200 plus 100. 200 plus 100.
No. First complete tens again and again and telling. What about these two? These two together.
Yes, sir. 7. Yes, sir.
Wait. Jayid, what I am telling. Don't write anything in the chat box. Don't write anything in the chat box. Okay. 700 and 300 together.
1000.
Okay. Later, the remaining numbers. Tell me.
Sir, then 1000 plus 200 is 1200.
1000. Keep it there only. First, we'll do this one. Later, we'll add it to 1000. Don't add into 12.
Sir, 200 plus 200 is 400.
Okay.
And 100 plus 100 is 200.
Total?
All together is 400.
No. All together. 200, 200. Already 400 and one more 200.
600.
600. So with the thousands place, we got, sorry, with the hundreds place, we got 1600.
1600.
1600, right. Now go to the tens place.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 80 plus 20 is 1000.
Very good. Next. If we
9
add
plus-
1000 to this one, our updated number will be in the mind updated
17.
number will be 1700. Okay, next.
Sir, then 9 plus 90 plus 1 is 100.
90 plus 10 is again 100. Updated number will be
Sir, 1800.
1800, right. Next.
Sir, then 40 plus 40 is 80.
80. Update this one now.
Sir, 1880.
880. Okay. With that, tens place is over. Next, coming to ones place.
Sir, 8 plus 2 is 10.
Yes, correct. So this number will be
Sir, 1890.
90. Okay. Next.
Sir, then 5 plus 3.
No. Keep
is-
5 there only. What about these three?
Sir, we need to add them, sir.
If you add
6
these,
3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10.
total will be, updated number will be
1900.
900 and, sorry, 1900. Right. And lastly,
25.
5.
Five.
Answer. 100.
Sir.
Sorry, 1000.
905.
That is the answer. So practice
Sir,
more
can you
number of questions. Then only you can reduce time. Okay. And while
Sir,
practicing
sir.
only, don't use pen. Sorry.
Sir, can you show me CBIT?
Why see?
No, sir. I just want to cross check, sir. That's all.
Okay. Ashwad, any doubt? Ashwad, any doubt?
Sir, I must scroll it to EBIT, sir. EBIT.
Yeah, I'll scroll it a bit. Okay. Jayit, any doubt?
Sir,
Sir, I don't
once I
have any
kept the
doubts.
answer in
No
personal
doubts,
chat
sir.
box.
Wait. I asked Jayit. Jayit will
Sir?
respond later. Some other person.
Sir, actually kept you in the personal chat box, right?
Okay.
Sir, some questions we'll do, sir.
Sir, can you give more questions?
Yeah, I'll give more questions in the homework in the Google Classroom. Okay. Any doubt in this page?
No, sir. Sir, can
No,
you
sir.
I don't have doubt, but I wanted to answer for one question. Excuse me, sir.
Then you can lower your hands.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Aditi is messaging me that you need to admin her, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, Aditi is saying me, sir, that can you please tell sir to accept my request? I got disconnected, sir. She's
I
messaging
already
me.
accepted. Already accepted. Srushti, you can lower your hand. Anybody have any doubt in this page?
No, sir, nothing.
Okay, right. Now, let us moving on to the next one more sutra. Next sutra.
No, sir.
Yeah, what is this one? Sankalana.
Sanka Vyakalan Bhyam.
I'll read it first. Sankalana Vyavakalana
Sankalana Vyankalanabhyam.
Sankalana means collecting the things. Collecting nothing but addition. Vyavakalana means removing the things. Removing
Subtraction.
subtraction.
Vyavakalabhyam.
It's a translation
Sir, it is
Sankalana
ninth sutra, but we,
Vyavakalana
by the addition
Vyam.
and subtraction. By the
sir,
addition.
but we did not complete till second sutra, third sutra, no, sir.
Yeah, we are not covering these sutras in order in the order what they are presented in actual Vedic maths. We are will see everything, every sutra, but according to our convenient.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you add Aditi is continuously messaging me that she has requested you.
Where it is it in the Wise app? No, there is no request in the Wise app, and there is no request in the.
Sir, maybe she's asking you to admit her.
There
Sir,
is.
she is messaging that no, it showed me that I got disconnected. Can you please tell sir accept my request?
I
got
will
disconnected.
I will accept her. Try to rejoin again. Rejoin. Tell to her.
Otherwise, Srishti, you can send her link.
Which link? That is already there in the group.
Sir, no, sir, the link is not there.
From Wise app also you can join.
Sir, she may be in a waiting room, I think, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, once you can see in
That
waiting
is
room.
what I am telling. There is no person in the waiting room. Okay.
Can someone send me Zoom link?
Okay. Wait.
Sir, you can post it in the WhatsApp group because we cannot and we are not admin. So,
Aditi.
sir,
Okay. Aditi disconnected from the Wise app also. Now she can connect. Now she can join.
She is saying
Sir,
that this
I sent the Zoom meeting link in the chat box.
Okay. Now we can tell her. Now she is able to join. Okay, ready? All of you ready?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, we are ready.
I'll explain something first. Later we'll do the exercise. Listen carefully. Already we have done this type of question, but in another way we are also going to solve the same this question. Suppose if it is 54 plus 9. Yeah, what we have done in the earlier class is.
Sir, first we'll take
Wait,
how much
I'll explain.
needed to go.
Sir,
Sir,
first,
let sir say right.
sir, first we should take 6 from 9. So,
To get multiples of 10, sir.
So it will become
Already I told. Okay, I'll explain first. Later you respond. Let me explain first. Okay. In the previous case, we have done this question in this way. To complete 54, we need 6. We'll take 6 from 9. Okay. we'll take 6 from 9 to make it 60. It will be 60. And this will be 3. 60 and 3 is 63. Now, according to this sutra, addition, by the addition and subtraction, we'll do this question, same question in another way. See that one. Yeah. Here, suppose if it is 54 plus 9, listen carefully, listen carefully. Here, actually, we have to add 9. Actually, we have to add 9. But instead of adding 9, I'll add 10. Okay. If I add 10, 54 plus 10 will be 64. Because I have added 1 extra, now I'll remove 1. That will be 60. Okay. Clear? Okay. I'm explaining once again. If it is 54 plus 9, instead of adding 9, we'll add 10 because it is easy. So 54 plus 10, it will be 64. We have to add 9, but instead of 9, we have added 10, means we have added 1 extra, then we'll remove that 1, then it will be 63. Clear?
Yeah. Sir, I didn't understood. So once can you tell it again?
Sir, I understood, sir.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Once can you
Sir,
tell
means
again?
if you take
Whoever
nine,
not understood, I'll tell you again. Wait. No,
Sir,
speak. Yes.
sir, can we do like 54 plus 9 equal to 54 plus 6 plus 9 minus 6?
That is what I told already. We'll take 6 from 9 later. It will be 3. 54 plus 6 will be 60 and 3 will be 63. We can do in that way also. Because we are learning a new sutra, try to do these questions, these exercises using this sutra in this approach.
It's simpler, sir.
I'll give you one more example. Kunal, see here. Suppose
sir.
it's 24 plus 9. Suppose if it is 28 plus 9. Okay. Actually, we have to add how much?
9.
9. Instead of adding 9, I'll add 10. Then it will be 28 plus 10 will be
38.
38. Instead of 9, we have added 10, means we have added 1 extra. No?
Yes, sir. Minus.
Reduce 1. 38 minus 1 will be?
sir, but
30, sir.
sir, but it will
Oh, yes, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay.
take 8 what happens, sir? Sir, but it is a lengthy process, no, sir. Means
Why it will be lengthy? Wait.
Sir,
Just-
we can calculate in mind only this one.
yes, sir. This is very easy, and we can tell in 1 second. But this property we can use even 1 minute.
I'll give all the properties. I'll give all the tricks and techniques, sir. Where which method is best suitable? You
Sir,
think?
but,
You can,
sir, I think the round off of multiples of 10, sir, means how you did the first sutra.
okay. You can proceed with that one also. But in this exercise, we are going to solve the questions in this method only. Okay.
sir.
After completing all the methods, that is of your choice. But now it is
Sir,
my
if
choice.
there is
We have
not
to
9 and other number means we have to take it to the 10th only,
I'll
sir.
suggest this
Means,
method of these numbers. See,
Means it's
9.
26 means we can take 30 only, sir.
That's what I'm telling.
Sir, I have a
Okay,
doubt.
sir.
Wait.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait. I suggest you to solve this method for the numbers 9, 8, 7, 6 or 19, 18, 17, 16 or 29, 30, 28, 27, 26 and so on. Okay. For this
Sir, I
type
haven't.
means numbers near to base, number to below and near to base. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Wait, ask your doubt.
Sir, we can also take means if 26 by 26, we can also use this property.
26 also we can use.
26
We'll
plus
add
20.
4 extra. We'll add 4 extra. Later we'll subtract.
Okay, okay, sir. Means we will get
See,
26.
first
Means
one.
we should add 4 extra.
See here, 52, and suppose if it is 28. So instead
4
of
and
adding
minus
28, we will add 30. 52 and 30. Tell me, 52 and 30.
52 and
Sir,
30.
it's 82, nothing
82.
but
82.
82, sir.
82.
Then answer will
Then
be
the
80.
answer will be 80, sir. 80 is the answer.
Yes, sir. Because we should minus 2 from it.
Yeah, because we have added 2 extra, we will subtract 2 later. Clear?
Yes, sir.
By the addition and by the
Yes, sir.
let us moving on to the exercise.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you
Sir,
please?
In the chat box, write a question number and your name. Okay, don't write repeatedly. Don't write repeatedly. Don't write personally. Okay, write to everyone so that they can see. If one is already completed, one is already given by some other person, no need to give again. Don't give repeatedly. Yatharth. Okay, so once completed, you can stop. Srishti. Ritvik. Jaideep. A. Raghav. Raghav already over. Shiv Pranav D. Over. H. Satvika. E. Lohini. G. Ashwath. D. Kunal. And J. Aditi. J is not there now. Only F remaining. Cyrus H is already over. Raghav H is over. Only F is remaining. F. Lohini. Lohini is already given for E. Na? F. Pranav. Sorry. F. Ahana. First person. Ahana. Okay. Right. Ritvik. Ritvik, explain A.
Yes, sir. I have a small doubt.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, what is this sutra name? Can you repeat? I have a doubt in this.
Sankalana Vyavakalanaabhyam. Sankalana Vyavakalanaabhyam. By the addition and by the subtraction.
Okay, sir.
Read it again.
Sir.
Read it once.
So, sir,
Read it once.
sir, once again you can repeat it, sir. I cannot.
Yeah, tell me. Sankalana
Sankalana
Vyavakalanaabhyam.
Velatena Bhyam.
Vyavakalana
Sankalana. Okay, Sankalana Velathana Bhyam.
Vyavakalana.
Yavatalana Bhyam.
Tell me totally.
Sankalana Veltana.
Vyavakalanaabhyam.
Sir?
Vyavakalanaabhyam.
Yavatalana Bhyam.
Okay, right. Proceed with A.
Yes, sir. 55 plus 9. So we have to take 9 plus 1, which is equals to 10.
Okay.
So the answer will be 65 minus 1. 65 minus 1 is equals to 64. So the answer will be 64, sir.
Good, very good. Mute yourself. Kunal, where are you? Okay. Kunal.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I tell now?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we need to do 64 plus 10. Then it will become 75. And 75 minus
55.
1.
Where is
Sir?
that one extra?
Sir, yes, sir. One extra will do minus, sir. Minus, then it will become
No.
73.
Once from the beginning, explain from the beginning.
Okay, sir. Sir, we need to do first 64 plus 10, sir. Then answer will be 74. There is 9, so there is one
Yes,
extra.
you told that.
So
is-
we need to do one minus. Then it will become 73.
Okay, good. Mute yourself. Srushti. Yeah.
Sir, 45 plus 9. The answer is 51. Now I'll say the explanation.
Ah.
So for making 10, we'll take the 9, ma'am. Sir,
Okay.
so 9 plus 1 is 10. So
Simply you can
45
explain in this way. Instead of adding 9, we'll add 10, sir. Later we'll remove 1. Simple, guys.
okay, sir.
Okay, proceed.
45 plus 10 is 55. So then 55 minus 1 is 54.
54. Correct. Mute yourself. Next, C. C is over. D. Jaideep. Yeah, Jaideep.
Sir, instead of adding 73 plus 9, we can add it as 73 plus 10.
10.
So that is equals to 83. And
Okay.
as we added one extra, we have to subtract that one from 83. So 83 minus 1 is equals to 82.
Very good. Very good. Lohini, ready? Yeah, proceed.
So 9 will become 10, and if we add 82 to 10, it is 92. Then we should minus 92 to 1. Then the answer is 91. So answer is 91.
Very good. Correct. Next, Ahana. Yes, proceed.
Yes, sir. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So if I add 26 plus 10, it would be 36. And minus 1 is 35.
34. Very good. Then Ashwad. Ashwad, proceed.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, 67 plus 9 equal to 67 plus 9 plus 1 equal to 67 plus 10. 67 plus 10 equal to 77. 77 plus minus 1 equal to 76.
Actually, okay, what you told is correct only, but you are somewhat expanding the procedure again. Simply instead of adding 9, we'll add 10, sir. It will be 77. Then we'll subtract 1 because we have added 1 extra. We'll remove that one. So it will be 76. Okay. Next, Satvika. Yeah. Satvika. Satvika. Unmute yourself. Tell me. Satvika, are you there? maybe she is unable to. Somebody given for H, right? Raghav, proceed. Wait. Raghav,
Yes, sir.
yeah, explain.
Yes, sir. So 38 plus 10 is equal to 48. As we added a number extra, we have to subtract with 1. So the answer will be 37. I mean 47.
Answer will be
47.
47. Yeah. Actually, this is very simple because simple nines only, and tens place will not be. Sorry, units place will be reduced by 1. Just to check once. Given number and answer. See the given number and answer. This is 55. Units place 5 becomes 4, and the tens place is raised by 1. 45. Units place is reduced by 1. Tens place is raised by 1. This similarly, units place decreased by 1. Tens place increased by 1. Okay, because simply we have added 9. Okay, later we'll add the numbers, 2-digit numbers also, ending with the 9s only. 2-digit numbers ending with the 9s. Yeah, we have only up to H. Give the names up to H. Up to H only. Show Pranav B. Don't give repeatedly. Don't give repeatedly. One time writing is enough. B. Show Pranav. H. Jaideep. C. Srushti. G. Aditi. Meanwhile, one more thing here is, after writing the names in the chat box, you try to solve all the questions, not only your question. Not only your question, try to solve all the questions. I'll give the time also. Try to solve all the questions. I'll give 2 minutes of time. 2 to 3 minutes. Solve all the questions. All of you solve all the questions. Yeah, in the same method only. Same method means instead of see here, A. Question number A, I'm explaining. Instead of adding 19, we'll add 20. Later in the answer, we'll reduce that one. In the answer, reduce that one because we have taken one extra. We'll reduce that one. In the same method, do all the questions. F. Cyrus. Just there are only 8 questions, and there are only 20 persons. But I am getting messages still. I'm telling you, don't write repeatedly. Again and again, you are writing. Solve all the questions. whoever not understood this method, once you see here, if the question is 62 plus 29, if the question is 62 plus 29, here, instead of adding 29 to 62, we'll add 30. In place of 29, we'll add 30 because it is easy. 62 and 30, it will be 92. Because we have added one extra, that's why we'll reduce that one here. So it will be 91. Got Sushti? Understood? Okay. Right. Yeah, now we'll start. Okay, Jaydeep. We'll start from Ritvik. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So the A1 question is 44 plus 19. So 44 plus 19 means we should take 44 plus 20, which is equals to 64. So when we bother 1 from the 19, again we should separate 1 from the 64. So the answer will be 63, sir.
63, very good.
Sir, it is correct?
Yeah, correct on. See, simple. 44 plus 19. We'll think instead of 44 plus 19,
sir,
44 plus 20,
yes, sir.
64. 64 and
Sir,
3.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
We are also going to learn means we have 44 plus 19, no sir. If we'll have 44 plus 47 means any other number, how we can do with that?
Yeah, suppose 44 plus 47, right? Instead of 47, I'll add 50. So then it will be 94. I'll reduce 1. Then it will be 90.
3, sir. Sir, you should reduce 3, right?
Yeah, we'll reduce 3 because we have taken 3 extra. We'll reduce that in the answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And this is not only applicable for 1 digit or 2 digit, even any number of digits we can do the same. But here the condition is in which places it is best suitable is the number should be nearer to the base, nearer to the 10 multiples. In that case, it will be best.
That's sure.
Yeah. Show Pranav. Yeah, show Pranav.
Sir,
Explain.
sir, 55 plus 30 we should do, sir. And it will come 85, sir. And we should subtract 1, sir. Why means we added 1 now, sir. That's why we should subtract 1. Is equals to 84.
Becomes 84. Very good. Next. See Sushti. Proceed.
So 49 will change into 50. Then 36 plus 50 is nothing but 86. Then we need to do 86 minus 1, which is nothing but 85.
85. Very good. Then D. Satvika or Satvika? Satvika, unmute. Oh, I think Satvika is unable to speak. Some problem is there. Okay, we'll do this question later. Sahit, right? Sahit. Sahit Verma, explain D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you turn 19 into 20 and then it becomes 93, but then you have to subtract 1, so it will become 92.
92, very good, simple. Then Pranav. So Pranav. So Pranav.
Sir, I completed, sir.
Yeah, is it you?
No, sir. Pranav Raghavendra is. I'm
Pranav
not.
Raghavendra. Okay, B Pranav Raghavendra. Yeah, show Pranav, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Mute. Pranav Raghavendra.
Yes, sir. Sir, we are taking 39 to 40, sir. And then 47 plus 40, which comes 87. And 87 minus 1 gives me 86, sir.
86, that's it. What are you writing in the chat box? Answers. Okay, is it a private message only? If they are private, it is okay. Don't write them everyone. Write them to everyone. Cyrus. Cyrus, you can unmute.
Okay, so you make 59 60.
Okay.
Then you add 26, which is 86 minus 1.
Will be?
And then it will be 85.
80. Very good. Yeah. Then G Aditi. Yeah. Cyrus, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Aditi, unmute.
Sir, instead of adding 17 to 69, we are going to add it to 70, which will be 87. Then we'll minus.
Can you please explain me once again?
Sir, instead of adding 17 to 69, we are going to add it 17 plus 70, which will be 87. So we'll subtract 1 from it. So the answer will be 86.
86. Very good. Correct. And last question. That is Jaideep. Jaideep.
Sir, instead of adding 28 plus 29, we can add it as 28 plus 30, which gives me as 58. And as we added one extra, we should subtract that one, which is equals to 57.
57. Very good. Excellent. Okay, got this exercise? With this exercise, I'm stopping here today. Okay, we'll do I think 2 more exercises with the same technique, but not only ending with the 9s. We'll do some more questions based on ending with the 8s, ending with the 7s, and ending with 6s also. Okay, in the next class. And after doing those exercises, we'll start one more.
Sir, my all answers are correct, sir.
I too, sir. Even my all answers.
Is facing some problem with.
Sir, even mine.
Now your
Sir,
mic.
now my mic is working.
Sir,
Okay.
I think Vedic Maths is very hard, but you are telling step by step. No, sir, we are understanding very clearly.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Today class was very
Yes, sir. Today was so
Yes, yes.
exciting and interesting
the
also,
exercise-
sir.
Last Vedic Maths ma'am was telling in middle I did not understand, sir, but I now understand what you are teaching.
Yeah, if you
Yes,
are
sir.
going in this method only, if you are going in this method only, it may be a bigger question. We don't think it as a bigger question. We'll solve it as a normal question only in the later classes. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you again explain EBIT, sir? I did not understand that.
E, this one.
No, sir. The previous one with long numbers addition.
Oh, sorry, she's telling about Ekadi Kena Purvena, that one.
Column numbers.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it this one?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
that only he's telling.
Okay, right. Let us stop the recording.